He does that car thing, he goes, don't listen to this guy. Yeah.
Welcome back to Wayfarer Vans HQ, everybody. I'm Austin. This is Andy and Michael.
We're headed up to brisk Buena Vista, Colorado. We love us some winter camping, and we thought this would be a great opportunity to bring you along and show you just how warm and cozy the Propex Heater keeps the van on a cold winter trip like this.
Now it's gonna get down to about a low of 15 degrees or so, but that's not gonna stop us. We're gonna do a little hiking, a little sightseeing. So come along, tag along for a couple days and spend it with us. Did everybody bring their layers?
Oh yeah, ready to go.
All right, let's go. Woo. This is my 2018 Wayfarer Vans, and what the boys neglected to say is I don't have a Propex heater. So I'm a little concerned about this cold weather coming up. Stay in touch. All right, first things first, food.
This is called a teddy bear choya because of the thick coating of spines on it. But don't be deceived by the name. There is nothing cuddly about this particular teddy bear.
The temps are already in the 30s. I think I'm gonna be screwed. I have a heated blanket you can use. I was thinking about that I won't use tonight. I should be fine. Throw that over you.
Hi, Winston.
What are you doing?
All right, Andy, just came over the top of Wilkerson Pass Summit, looking at the Continental Divide, making our way to Buena Vista.
It's beautiful, man, and it's surprising how chilly it already is. It's gonna be really cold when we get out to the campsite, I'm sure.
Definitely, yeah, dropping quick.
Oh, yeah,
See.
the mountain way out there.
Oh man, that's a big one.
Right by that other one. Something
One to the left,
mountain.
to the right.
We made it!
Yeah, man. We out here now.
So we made it to our campground, Browns Creek Falls, I believe it's called. This will be home for tonight. It's already a little cold, a little nipply, but it's beautiful. We're surrounded by mountains. What is there to complain about? I'm getting dressed because it's increasingly getting colder outside, and I'm gonna go out and see what the guys are up to.
Come on in, buddy. Have a seat.
What's up, fellas?
What's up? Welcome in.
I just had the weirdest dream about you.
Oh, well, did you?
Yeah.
Really?
Anyways, it's kind of nice in here though. It's toasty.
Feels great.
What's the temp?
We are sitting at a solid 60 in here. What's the outside temperature?
About 22 degrees.
Ooh, not too
We're
shabby.
doing good. Doing good.
Yeah, it's easy for you to say. Both of you are strapped with the Propex. Andy, you just got your van with a Propex. Like, have you put it to the test yet?
Yeah, we've had a couple of trips out with the heat on. Actually, last weekend for Thanksgiving, we were up in Denver for 2 nights, my wife and I, with Mr. Winston here. And we camped out in friends' driveways, and it was between 10 to 18 degrees both nights. Big cold front came through, woke up to 6 inches of snow on the van, but we were nice and cozy. It was awesome.
No problem for the Propex.
Yeah, no problem.
That's cool, yeah. My wife and I got ours in 2018, and we traveled in it for 3 years, but we avoided the cold weather. But now that we're in Colorado, I think it's unavoidable, so we really gotta consider getting one.
Time's come.
Yeah,
Make you a believer tonight.
yeah, I'm already well on my way. So, but yeah, got a hike tomorrow. Looking forward to that. We'll see how the night goes.
Yep,
Oh yeah.
it's gonna be good.
Signing off for now. Peace.
Hey friends, got up middle of the night, it's about 2:15 a.m. Took a quick potty break. Just doing a check here. The Propex is sitting at 50 degrees. The external temperature is 15 degrees. So keeping it pretty warm underneath the blanket, and gonna go back to bed.
I just got up because I need to use the bathroom, but it's currently 3 in the morning and it is currently 23 degrees inside this van. A bit cold. I don't know if you can see that. The worst part is that I have to get out of this bed.
All right, we survived the night comfortably, warmly, sound of sleep. We have not yet seen Michael. He may be a popsicle. We did knock on his door. It seemed like there was some sort of movement in the van. So we're just in here toasting up some bread, got some coffee, some fresh eggs, and getting ready to do our hike. So yeah, cheers to a fun day. Come here.
All right. Good morning. It turned out to be a pretty chilly night, but we survived. It's a beautiful morning now. Just had some breakfast, got dressed. Boys are finishing up getting ready, and we're gonna head out and go do this hike. Never done it before, so pretty pumped. Yeah, we'll see you there.
One lift, 2 chair, run by a diesel motor, super slow. And the snow was like like quad deep, like knee deep. It was so good, and all the locals were skiing in overalls and stuff.
Right.
Just Carhartts. It was so fun. Yeah.
I hear it.
Oh man.
Oh, there it is. A little frozen, but
Definitely frozen.
beautiful nonetheless.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Uh-oh. Andy's going for it. Oh!
Dang it! Let's try not to fall into the water here.
Oh, good catch, man. You alright?
What'd you guys think of the hike?
Great hike.
Couldn't be better. So perfect.
It was
Unbelievable
beautiful.
waterfall.
Yeah.
Really cool.
What elevation are we at?
We're just under 9,900 feet above sea level.
Oh, wow, that's higher than I thought actually. How does the Propex actually do in elevation? Because I know some are kind of like bad at that. So, Austin, do you like have any experience with it?
Yeah, I got just the place to go to show you.
All right, so before we end the video, we get a lot of questions about the Propex and how it performs at elevation. So we thought the best test we could do would be to take it to the highest point we can get to via car, America's Mountain, AKA Pikes Peak. We're currently sitting at 14,110 feet above sea level. We're gonna fire up the Propex and see how it does at elevation.
Yeah, guys, it is absolutely freezing out there right now, but we do it for you. So we're gonna go take in the 360-degree view, some of the sights. In the meantime, I'm gonna get the Propex going at a nice 62 degrees, so it'll be real toasty for us when we get back.
Let's see how it does.
All right. All right, woohoo! Yes, much better. Yeah, just like we said it, nice 62 degrees here. So, man, another thing we just love about the Propex, it does such an amazing job of extending the accessibility through these colder months. And up here on Pikes Peak, if this doesn't show the versatility of the Propex, I really don't know what does.
Yeah, it's a real game changer. So that about does it for us. We've shown you side by side what a van looks like with and without a Propex in cold winter temperatures. We've shown you how the Propex performs at elevation all the way up to Pikes Peak, 14,110 feet. And now it's time for us to head back to the Wayfarer Vans HQ. So we're gonna wrap things up. Appreciate you coming along on this journey with us, and we hope to see you out on the road.
See you guys.